Stella Stevens and Elvis Presley, a scene from the American musical comedy film Girls, 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 1962. Stevens, who also worked as a film producer, director and writer, passed away this year in February 2023 at the age of 84. Actress Joan Crawford showcases her multitasking skills by signing fan mail while relaxing in her backyard in 1933, shortly after the release of Today We Live. Wooden Leg, a Northern Cheyenne warrior, was photographed in 1927. He fought against General Custer at the Battle of the Little Big Horn. Swedish Cavalry School recruits, soldiers of 1917 posing with sidearms.